If you want to add an event to calendar on POCO F7, what we're going to do is, first of all, we need to open the calendar. I'm going to use this calendar by Google. I think this one is the best one. So we're going to grant permissions because I didn't do that yet. And once we open the calendar, you should be able to press this plus button over here in the bottom right corner where we can find the event option. Over here we can set up the title. We can also switch between event, task, and birthday. We can set this whole event to last a whole day. If not, then we can choose the starting date and time. There we go. And of course, we can also choose the time zone over here. We can decide if the event should repeat or not. So you can choose whether it should repeat, for example, every other day or weekend, so on and so forth. You can add people to this event. You can add video conferencing. We can add location. We can manage notifications. So if you want to be informed about this incoming event, let's say one day before, then of course we can do that quite easily. We can add multiple notifications as well. We can choose a color, add description, and attach files from Google Drive. Once you are done with setting this up, we can press save in the top right corner. Of course, grant permissions. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.